Good evening, friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Trend Spotter Shubham. I am back with another exciting video on market analysis for tomorrow, where we will see how markets performed today, whether they performed as per our analysis, and how are they expected to perform tomorrow. Before we start with our analysis, make sure to join my Telegram channel Trend Spotter Shubham, where you will get live market analysis, buy sell recommendations, answers to all your stock queries, and much more. So without wasting much time, let us start with today's analysis. But like always, before we start with the analysis for tomorrow, let us again take a quick recap on how we had expected the markets could move today in our previous analysis video and how accurately, once again, the market actually performed today. Gradually, I would really like to see Nifty correcting about 2 to 3% to somewhere in this light blue rectangle once again in this region of 17,600 to 17,800. It would be nice for Nifty. It would be nice for the structure that it is forming slowly, that 17,600 and 800 becomes a crucial base which Nifty might try to consolidate in coming days. So if Bank Nifty opens below 37,800, it might get stuck in 37,400 and 800 range. If tomorrow or in coming few days, if it breaks 37,400, it is likely to retest 36,500 and 37,000 range. And this will become crucial for Bank Nifty. So like 17,600 to 800 was crucial for Nifty, Bank Nifty might look to spend some good time in this range, and therefore for coming few days, I do expect 37,800 till 36,500, a range of about 1200 to 1300 point to be a range of consolidation. So in yesterday's video, we analyzed that if Nifty for any reason breaks 17,800, this was the reason of 17,800, and we had seen if Nifty breaks 17,800 for any reason, Nifty is likely to consolidate in this blue rectangle. अगर Nifty किसी भी reason से 17,800 के नीचे आता है आज, तो Nifty 17,600 और 17,800 के region में consolidate करेगा, ऐसी हमें उम्मीद थी, and this is exactly what Nifty did today. It had spent some time testing 17,650 region. It bounced back intraday. It bounced back till 17,800 region, and from 800 it faced a rejection, and it faced a rejection closed around 17,450 region. So as we had expected, as I had told that I would be happy, I would be inclined to see Nifty consolidating in this light blue rectangle, and that is what Nifty did today. Now, what can be the story for tomorrow? So we see that Nifty is as was expected. Nifty is giving a move in this consolidation range of 17,600 and 800 range, and Nifty today tested 17,800 and it faced a minor rejection at the upper level. So 17,800 becomes a very critical level for Nifty for tomorrow and for coming few sessions. If this region is crossed once again, either by a gap up opening or it is crossed intraday, Nifty can see some power coming back, and Nifty might then test around 17,800, 17,900 and 18,000 level. So our view is that if 17,800 is crossed in gap up opening and 17,000 is sustained in that gap up, अगर 17,000 के ऊपर गैप ओपनिंग होती है कल और वो सस्टेन करता है फॉर फ्यू मिनट्स, then we can see 17,900 and 18,000. However, if 17,800 is not hold, मार्केट अगर 17,800 को टेस्ट करता है नीचे खुल के और यहाँ से रिजेक्शन मिलता है, या फिर अगर गैप अप ओपनिंग होती है और मार्केट इमिडिएटली 17,800 के नीचे आ जाती है,
तो चांसेस हैं दैट मार्केट विल कंटिन्यू इट्स मोमेंटम इन दिस रीजन ऑफ 200 पॉइंट्स फ्रॉम 17,600 and 800. और and because 17,800 was tested once and it failed a rejection, it did not test 17,600 as of now. It bounced back from 17,650. It has tested 17,800 once. This level, this is our range, 17,600 to 800. So it has tested 17,800 once in the intraday, but it has not tested 17,600. अभी तक 17,600 को टेस्ट नहीं करा है, 650 को टेस्ट करा था आज, 600 को टेस्ट नहीं करा है. तो अगर 17,800 का रिजेक्शन मिलता है निफ्टी को कल गैप अप ओपनिंग में या फिर फ्लैट ओपनिंग में, तो चांसेस हैं कि 17,600 एक बार टेस्ट होगा. शायद इंट्राडे टेस्ट हो या शायद कुछ दिन या कुछ सेशन रुक के टेस्ट हो, बट देन देर आर चांसेस दैट निफ्टी माइट कंसोलिडेट इन दिस रीजन एंड इट माइट टेस्ट 17,600. सो 17,800 plays a crucial role. Gap up opening, if it is sustained, 17,900 and 18,000 can come, but if 17,800 is not sustained, then 17,600 and 800 will be the range with biasness towards 17,600 level. What we can expect from Bank Nifty? Again, Bank Nifty did the same as we had expected it to do. It opened below 37,400 region today. And yesterday we had expected if Bank Nifty for any reason breaks 37,400, then there are high chances that it will test this region of 36,500 and 37,000. Bank Nifty, after opening gap down and after opening below 37,400, it immediately went to test 37,000, from where it bounced back, and once again it entered 37,400 and 37,800 range and closed absolutely at the bottom of this above range of 37,400. So for tomorrow, Bank Nifty might again continue to consolidate in this region of 37,400 and 800. If it again opens above 37,400 region, it might go on to test 37,800. And sellers might get activated here, and therefore we might see seesaw action coming between 37,400 and 800. However, if 37,400 breaks on a gap up opening or during the day, then we might see again a retest of 37,000 level. The range remains intact for Bank Nifty. This is the range of 36,500 to 37,800. We might continue to see some range bound action. Breaking of 37,800 on the upside with a good volume, we might see a good 300 to 500 point jump in Bank Nifty. तो हमारा कल के लिए और आने वाले कुछ दिनों के लिए निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी में व्यू है थोड़ा रेंज बाउंड एक्शन का. निफ्टी 17,600 से 800 के बीच में एक्शन दिखा सकता है. बैंक निफ्टी 37,400 से लेकर 37,000 के लेवल, 37,800 से लेकर 37,000 के लेवल के बीच में एक्शन दिखा सकता है. However, there is one interesting aspect developing in mid cap index. Although we are expecting Nifty and Bank Nifty to be range bound to consolidate, mid caps are actually showing some kind of breakout. यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं मिड कैप ने 3 दिन में बिल्कुल सेम वैसा ही कंसोलिडेटिंग मूव दिया है जैसा निफ्टी ने यहाँ दिया था 17,200 और 250 की रेंज में. यहाँ जो निफ्टी ने 3 दिन कंसोलिडेट हुआ था और उसके बाद एक बहुत शार्प रैली आई थी, वही मिड कैप भी अब लगभग वैसा व्यू दिखा रहे हैं. आज 3rd डे था. इट हैज़ बीन 3 days सिंस मिड कैप हैव परफॉर्म्ड अ वेरी नैरो रेंज बाउंड एक्शन. आज मिड कैप के पास एक अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी थी मॉर्निंग जब गैप डाउन ओपनिंग हुई थी इस रेंज को नीचे की तरफ तोड़ने के लिए. It had a good opportunity to break this range on the downside with a sharp gap down opening with negative sentiments. However, buyers managed to again pull back mid caps and bring back mid caps at the day's highs. Now, buyers have a very good chance to break this range. Buyers के पास एक अच्छा opportunity है to break the range on the upside. And if buyers are able to give this range breakout as we had seen happening here in Nifty last week, अगर ये हो जाता है तो we can see a very sharp upside rally in mid cap index, and that rally can extend up till around 31,500 और even till 32,000. तो यहाँ से 600 से 1000 पॉइंट की एक अपसाइड रैली मिड कैप में आ सकती है. सो whereas we are expecting a range bound movement in Nifty and Bank Nifty, mid caps are actually showing a 2 to 3% breakout move. अगर ये ब्रेकआउट फेल हो जाता है तो हो सकता है कि मिड कैप भी यहाँ पे ट्रैप होकर रह जाएं और निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी की तरह रेंज बाउंड एक्शन दिखाएं. बट अगर ये ब्रेकआउट मिड कैप्स को मिल जाता है तो हो सकता है मार्केट still might have a positive sentiment and Nifty and Bank Nifty continue to trade with a range bound action. So possibility are that we might see consolidation in two major indexes, Nifty and Bank Nifty, and we might see some upside sentiment in mid cap index because of this range breakdown. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked and enjoyed the video. If you did like the video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel Trend Spotter Shubham and join my Telegram channel with the same name, Trend Spotter Shubham. Thank you.